Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today we are learning about Firebase Firestore CRUD Operation with React. And in previous lecture, we have learned Firebase real-time database with CRUD Operation. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm in my application. So basically what we are doing CRUD Operation with Firebase. Let's see. Suppose using this button, we are sending the data to database. Just take it. Let's see. As you can see, we got the data. If we get the data from Firebase to front end, just click it. You can see we got the data. And if we want to update the data, just click it. You can see data is changed, like name is changed. Yeah, it's hard coded. We will perform it. So if we want to delete the data, just delete it. You can see we have no data. And again we want to push the data. Just click set user details. Yeah, go back. You can see we have data. So same thing we will perform in our lecture today. So let's get started. So guys, you can see I already opened my project, and as you can see there is no data. So let's log in and I will show you. You can see we logged in. So let's start. First we need to import some details from Firebase. For Firebase Firestore authentication. Firebase plus Firestore. And we have to import here get Firestore. Yeah. So here we have to authenticate. Const db get Firestore app. So our database connected with our user means authenticated. So let's see. Save it. Go to application. Here we need to import DB also. Yes. And we need to import Firebase plus Firestore. Yeah. We need to import like collection, add data, collection, add doc, this. Let's see. So as you can see in our application, there is nothing other than logout button. So let's create some button and accordingly we will make some function. Copy. Button is add data to database. Change the function. Type db. You can write whatever you want. So let's create const write db. So console.log data created, just for reference. And we're using trycat for tracking the bug also. Const error console.log error. Now go to try block const docref await a doc collection db and our database name, like our database is suppose user. So our reference is ready. Now let's import, like let's make some data to import, like ID. So user.uid I'm using, and on user dot display name and email user dot email. As you know, after authentication, Firebase authentication, we got the user detail, and same user detail I'm going to save in database. So let's see. Okay, so let's save it and check it. Just click on no. First we need to create our Firestore from Firebase console. Let's go to Firebase console, select project, and we need to create here Firestore. Yeah, this one. We have already completed real-time database, and today we are doing cloud Firestore. Let's create test mode. Next, enable. Yeah, it's created. Let's check the role. Yeah, everything perfect. So let's go to that. Our cloud Firestore database created. So let's execute. Let's see. So data created. As you can see, our database, in our database we have data. Okay, let's do one thing. Just log out, and we will sign in with a different account so that we can execute other data. Click on add data created. Let's see. Yeah, you can see using first account we have this data, and for different ones you have means we have two data. Let's see. So our database created in database. So let's go to like how to read the data. Const read very assumed console.com read data. Yeah. So const attribute correct. Basically, we have to import one thing, add get doc. This one using get doc, we can get the data from the database to our front end. Okay, so let's see get doc, and collection is collection. From collection we are collecting the data. DB for auth and user. Like you can see, we have user database, so that's why we are putting user. So in doc cost data equal to doc.data. Means after querying the data, we are applying for loop for greping the data. So console.log data. Let's see in our front end whether we are able to fetch the data or not. So no, basically first we need to add one button to grab the data. Let's see. Let's create get data, and function name is read data. Basically what we are doing, like we are greping the data from database to our front end. Let's click document reference. Okay, we got one error. Let's see. Try that. Yeah, we need to import doc also to POC. Let's see. Custom reference object. Get docs. Spell mistake. Yeah. We have to import here also. It's 2 times imported, sorry. So now get data. Undefined development files. Huh? There you can see we got the data. So now we can update the data. Create one function, update DB, and we need async function. Console.log update DB. So basically first we have to query the data, like cost, hero, querying, and collection. This query we have to import here, like it's already imported, you can see. This query we have to import, like we are first querying the data using our user ID, then we will update the data, okay? So collection, overdo, database name user, comma, here we have to use where, and where we have to import also. You can see on top where is already imported by default. So here we need to filter, like ID equal to user ID, user.uid. Basically we are filtering the data, like as you can see in database we have two data, but we want to edit only one. Like that's why we are first filtering the data, then we will perform. So const queue data means after filter the data we have to grab the data, then we will update. Get docs queue. So then we have to apply for each okay, your C1 yeah. So const tab we are using document table database name user and dot id. Basically what we are doing here, docref means we are collecting this data, means first we are filtering this data, like suppose this one we already filter the data and we need this ID to update this database. So using this doc, we are using doc. It's already imported here. Using doc, we are grabbing this ID. We can also see in console log also. Let's see. Okay. So now let's update. For basically update doc, we have to import here also. Just like add doc. Update doc. Yeah. True. Go here. Update doc. And decker. And here we need to add the data. Like previously our name is Avinash. Okay. Now we are changing it. Hello. Avinash. I'm changing only Avi. Okay. So let's see. Just save it. And we have to create one button so that we can click and our data is changed in database. Update data and update DB. Just click it and let's see. As you can see, our name is Avinash. First, you can see my ID is 82. So we need to select this one and we can verify. ID is 82. Let's see. Just click on update data. Same. My name is changed. In this data, it's not changed. It's simple, full name, but it's hard coded. You can see. Let's check one more time. Like Manoj. Save it. And if we click update data, you can see name is changed. So update data is also completed. Now let's delete the data. Const delete building. I think. And console.log data deleted. So let's create one query. Const queue query collection DB for auth, our database and user, and we are filtering the data using where command. ID. Basically, for deleting the data, we need ID. We can't delete all the data. We can see. So user ID. Query is ready. Let's grab the data first. Const queue data. Get docs. Get docs queue. Yeah. So now we can apply for loop for grabbing the data. Suppose using this ID, we have two or three data. So that's why we are applying for loop. So queue here we need to apply for loop. for each. Please one const docref. Again we are creating ref for collecting this ID. We have to create. So dog baby database name is a and .it. So our reference is ready. Now let's delete. For deleting the data, we have to import here delete doc. Here, this one. Delete doc and reference. Our reference is docref. Let's see. Save it. And for that we need to create one button. Copy, paste it. Delete data. Delete DB. Let's see. Yeah. Save it. Just delete it. Let's see. As you can see, our data is gone. There is only one data. If you want to delete, if you want to create again, like as you can see, there is one data. Just click it, add data. It's created. And the name is, this one. Name is Avinash. Let's first grab the data. You can see we are able to grab. Let's update the data. It's updated to Manoj. Again we grab the data, then we can see name is Manoj for this ID. Okay. And if we want to delete the data, let's see. Just delete. Deleted. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time. And we will connect in our next lecture. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.